All right, let's have a go at some simplifying some algebraic expressions. So, for example, this kind of figure here. Very important to be able to do. Let's have a look at doing some of those now. So we've got, in this case, it's going to be 3, 4x plus 5, or minus 5x minus 8. So the way to think about this is to consider the coefficient, the thing in front of the brackets, the coefficient. And if there's nothing, we just consider it to be a 1. So let's have a look how this plays out. So 3 times 4x, or 3 fours are 12, or 3 fours x is a 12x, plus 3 fives is 15. Now, I've got a minus 5x, or minus 1 times 5x, if you like, which is minus 5x. And I've got a minus 1 times negative 8, or a minus minus 8, if you like. Well, minus minus is plus 8. So now we're going to collect like terms. Well, let's do the x's first. We've got a 12x and a 5x. Well, 12 minus 5x, because the negative belongs to the 5, is going to be 7x. And you've got a 5 and an 8. Well, a 5 and an 8 is 13, and the 10 makes that 23. So that's my solution for that first one. All right, let's take a look at a few more. Oh, I like m. Look at that. Beautiful. It's got a negative coefficient, or negative, if you like, outside the brackets. So let's write that one out. So it's going to be a negative. Let's see what we got here. Negative 4 times 3 minus 2x minus 3x minus 5. Well, negative 4 times 3. Negative 4 times positive 3, well, negative and a positive, well, that's going to be negative 12. And any negative times a positive is a negative. We've got a negative 4 times negative 2x. Well, negative times negative is a positive. 4 2s are 8, and it's got an x. 4 lots of 2x. 2x plus 2x plus 2x plus 2x is 8x. Minus, now this is important, negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 5 is positive. 2 negatives make positive. 3 5s is 15. Okay, so let's see how that works. Well, let's do the x's first. I've got 8x minus 3x is 5x. Let's just cross those out as I do them. Then I've got a negative 12 and a 15, or 15 minus 12, if you like. It makes no difference. 15 minus 12 is going to be plus 3. And there is my solution. All right, what else we got here? What other delights do we have awaiting us? All right, there's some great ones here. I like these ones a lot. Okay, what about doing G? Okay, this is nice and straightforward. We've got 5x, 2x minus 3, 2x plus 1. Let's do that one. All right, so we've got, that's 5, 2x minus 3 minus 3 times 2x plus 1. Okay, well, 5 lots of 2x is 10x. 5 lots of negative 3 is negative 15. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. And negative 3 times 2 is x. Negative 3 lots of 2x is negative 6x. And negative 3 lots of 1 is negative 3. Or 1 lot of negative 3 is negative 3. All right, let's get the 6's together first. Let's collect like terms. 10x and negative 6x, or 10 minus 6 is going to be 4x. And now we've got a negative 15 and another negative 3. So I'm negative 15 on the number line, and I'm going another 3 in the negative direction. So 15 and 3, that's going to be negative 18. And there's my solution to that one. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, let's do this. Let's do this last one over here. I like this one. Negative 2. Oh, that's good. Let's do that one. So I've got a negative 2 brackets x plus 3 minus x plus 4. So remember, this is a negative 2 outside the brackets. This is really a negative 1 outside the brackets. So negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times 3 is going to be negative 6. Negative 1 times x is negative x, or negative 1x if you like. Negative 1 times 4 is going to be negative 4. All right, collecting like terms. Well, I've got negative 2x, and then I've got another 1x in the negative direction. So I've got 2 and 1 more in the negative direction is going to be negative 3x. Then I've got a negative 6 And I got another negative 4 in the negative direction. So negative 4 and another negative 4, sorry, negative 6 and another negative 4 is negative 10. And there is my solution.